playing myself right now as well. And stop cussing. Be a fucking grown woman right now. You were laughing at me getting a slap. That's what I saw. Nobody said that. And I said, we can talk about it. You have my number. I have your number. I can tell you, Rose, I felt a way about you laughing. That's it. And it could be fixed. Because people were saying maybe she was laughing about something else. She wasn't laughing at your issue. I was like, okay, y'all are right. That could be true. Like, I don't know if she was laughing because I was getting a slap. I don't fucking know that. That's something we could have talked about. But you see how fast you just want to switch on people and flip on people? Like, you gotta look within yourself as well. Because what did I do? You gotta look within yourself as well.
Positively for promise, I go suck your mother.
What? You're happy that Jaden slapped me?
Move.
You see what? You see this? And this? Yeah, wow. Y'all, like, honestly, all my trust in fucking people is gone. Like, this was the last one for me. All my trust in people is gone. Oh, it's gone.
Yeah, me say that.
What did you say?
Me surprised when I got the blood clot leak.
And that's why you were laughing.
Jesus Christ.
I'm asking you, because Rose, you were laughing. There's a screen recording. Look at it. Look at the screen recording, Rose. You were laughing. And afterwards, I came on your live and you were watching the screen recording and you were laughing at it again. That's just a fact. I saw that. That's what I was feeling a way about. And that's it. Why the hell does it have to be a big problem right now? You're telling Jaden to leave. Tell Jaden to leave. You're starting to cuss me, this, that. What did I do? Am I cussing you? I'm not. Y'all need to honestly stop this shit and then be fucking fake. You're not real right now. You're not real with me right now, honestly.